Good morning to everyone present here. Welcome to our webinar on Drive Sales with Intelligent E-Commerce from EPiServer. I'm Mukta Ashok and I'll be your moderator for today's webinar. Now, as we begin, I would like to take you through a few indicators so we can interact better during the webinar. What you're looking at is the attendee interface of GoToWebinar, and you can also see that there is a viewer window on the left. This window will show you everything that we will be sharing from our screen. You can also have access to a control panel which is on the right hand side. From there we will be helping you to answer your queries and you can share your comments. We'll also review your questions as they come in and we'll take them up towards the end during the question and answer session. The webinar is being recorded and we will send an email with a link to view a recording of today's event. So moving on, I would like to introduce you to our company, Suyati Technologies. Suyati provides marketing technology and integration services for companies that wish to combine the best of breed solutions and create a unified approach to customer acquisition. We enable system integration between various CMS and CRM platforms and a slew of e-commerce marketing automation, social media listening, email and social marketing, and customer service systems. Suyati's custom technology solutions have been deployed in companies in the US, Western Europe, and Australia, and have helped many enterprises leverage the web, cloud, mobile technologies to acquire customers through integrated digital marketing. We have strategic partnership with various technological giants such as Salesforce, Symphony, and MongoDB. We are also Microsoft certified gold partner. Suyati's expertise in terms of EPiServer. In EPiServer CMS, Suyati helps in creating unique digital experience to engage customers while providing enterprises with measurable business results. By combining content and commerce with multi-channel marketing, we can enable a potent digital experience delivery platforms for customers spread across the globe. Now, Suyati's repertoire of EPiServer expertise includes, but it is not restricted to CMS migration, customization, e-commerce, and leverage EPiServer Digital Experience Cloud. Now let me introduce you to my speaker, Leo. Leo is an EPiServer CMS certified developer with an expertise in technologies such as ASP.NET, MVC, MVVM, Web API, WCF, WPF, JavaScript, jQuery, Knockout, and single page application. He's also a cricket player and has a great interest in chess. Moving on to our social media tags, you can use the hashtags and handles to post questions, follow us, or even tag us. Now, our agenda for the day is we'll start off with EPiServer e-commerce out-of-box functionalities. Then Leo will introduce you to intelligence to your e-commerce site where he would be explaining in detail the location-wise product marketing strategies and showcase from experience with demo. And then we will finally conclude with campaign products and we will answer your questions. So now that's it from my end. Now I'll pass it over to Leo. Over to you, Leo.
Thank you, Mukta, for your introduction. Now I will take you through EPiServer e-commerce and how to create a better experience with EPiServer e-commerce. EPiServer e-commerce is a platform for digital commerce that provides outstanding customer experience and helps you drive sales across all channels. It provides features for both backend administration of online store as well as for managing and displaying specific content for e-commerce such as presentation of catalogs and product items. Also, there are numerous possibilities to extend the built-in functionality like EPiServer add-on store. There are few goodies provided by EPiServer e-commerce like catalog and product management, order management, customer management, administration, and security. Now we can look into each of these functionality. So first of all, we can check how EPiServer manages catalogs and products. Catalog management is a feature in EPiServer that manages catalog, products, and categories. Catalogs are independent from one another and you may create as many catalogs as you need. These catalogs can be structured in a number of ways and organized into categories, products, packages, as well as dynamic packages. Now let's have a look how the catalog management works in EPiServer. As you can see, EPiServer provides a cool interface for catalog management system. You can easily add catalogs and add products to catalogs. We can create new catalog from here, and we can also add product to catalogs like this, a new products or new category. That's all about catalog management in EPiServer. And the next functionality is order management system. With these features, customer can manage orders, returns, exchange, etc. Orders are highly flexible with the possibility to create purchase order with various options. You can also create one-page fast checkout or allow the customers to make a purchase without registering on our site. So let's have a look how the order management works in our system. We can select order management by clicking order management. In this, we have numerous options like purchase orders by status. In that, we have on hold, in progress, completed, cancelled, and we have items in our cards, and we can add payment plans, shipping and receiving. That's about order management. Next, we can move into customer management system. Customer management in EPiServer Commerce include the ability to store customer records and track orders that have been placed across multiple sites. You can also access shopping carts and wish lists to see what your customers want at any point of time. So let's have a look how the customer is managed by EPiServer. Customer management system. In this, we can access the contacts of customers in our system, and we can also edit or delete customers, and we can also add the roles to that customers, that is order manager or order supervisor, shipping manager, like anything is possible in customer management system in EPiServer. The fourth point is administration and configuration. EPiServer commits provide a flexible system made for customization with numerous configuration possibility. From this section, you can easily manage various administration and configuration tasks such as setting up shipment and payment gateways, units, tax configuration, and search settings. So we will see the administration in EPiServer. We have to click the administrator. There are options like system setting, catalog system, order system. In this, we can create a default language for our sites, manage scheduled jobs, and page tree for page tree and block folder structure. And the final point is security. EPiServer Commerce gives you a total control over who can access your e-commerce website. That ensures our site is secured from unauthorized usage. You can also configure access rate for each usage and user groups and functions. Now, this concluded the basic functionalities of EPiServer e-commerce. Now, let's see how we can improve our intelligent to the site with the help of EPiServer. Today, online business must have an e-commerce site that meets the needs of online buyers. That's why companies need a flexible, fast, and agile e-commerce platform. EPiServer e-commerce is more than just a tool for catalog management and payments. It also allows you to engage with new visitors, optimize the payment process, and personalize the online experience for each visitor on your site. The platform incorporates the full scope of EPiServer, best-in-class web management, community, and optimization to power a company's e-shop from end to end. Now we can deep dive into EPiServer intelligence. So the very first point we are going to look upon is location-wise product marketing strategies. In today's international market, your customers can live down the road or across the globe from your business. Developing an e-commerce site that caters to the audience that lets you easily accept and manage international orders can be a time and resource intensive process. EPiServer Commerce includes a full suite of internationalization tools so you can easily expand into new markets, manage your global channels, and monitor your performance. EPiServer lets you create and deploy a number of localized e-commerce websites. You can control all your product catalogs, customer, and market data from within one interface. EPiServer Commerce makes managing your content easier with globalization support so you can easily manage your content. Product management and workflow for multi-region e-commerce sites. So let's see how this works in EPiServer. As you can see, this is a regional product according to Indian market. There are few products listed here that is available from India. Now let's try to add a new product to this Indian market and how it's displayed in this regional products. So first we will go to catalog management and goes to men's shoes, and we will add a we will select a product and go to its market. So already available, so we will select another product. So India is not available for this product, so we will try to add this product to Indian market, then save it. Now let's see if this product is available in Indian market. As you can see, the product is listed here. So localization with the product is very successful with the help of EPiServer marketing strategies. So we can look into the next point, that is showcase from experience of the users. EPiServer provides an easy implementation to get the product list from the user experience. Now there are recently viewed products available on the e-commerce sites, websites. Therefore, users are assured that refinding product will be easy. This does not stop them from exploring other items because they know that returning to a favorite won't be a hassle. Now let's have a look how this works. These are the recently viewed items. Now let's try a product. Go to that product and go to our home page. As you can see, the product is already listed here. So recently viewed help the users to quickly capture the products that are viewed earlier. So now let's look into the product marketing strategies. In today's e-commerce world, it's not only sufficient to merely a display list of products, but the user also should be guided or given a consolidated view of what's best for them. But at the same time, when a user does not have any clear idea about what they are looking for, it would be really great to provide them with some valid suggestion. This can be done by collecting knowledge from analytic data from previous purchase or search history. The best way would be to suggest products that are most viewed under that particular criteria. EPiServer has the capability to help the site to find those products that are viewed the most number of times and also find the product that has been sold the most number of times. Now let's have a look how this works in EPiServer. These are the most viewed product in our site and the most selling product, that is top selling. As you can see, it's already listed here, so it's successful. That's all from my end. Now let's move into question and answer section. So let me pass it over to Mukta.
Thank you, Leo. Thank you all. It was a pleasure to have you on board. Now it's time for the question and answer session. Type in your questions using the question feature on the GoToWebinar. So we have our first question. Okay, our first question for the day is, can you explain how product search works in EPiServer e-commerce?
Actually, it's quite simple. EPiServer provides a e-commerce search defaultly. We can easily search using under the categories of like men's. We will the list of products with men's keyword. We uses default EPiServer search. Also, we can include EPiServer find that can be easily implemented. In our current system, we implement EPiServer default search.
Okay, moving on to our next question. Does EPiServer support multiple languages?
Of course, it supports multiple languages. You can easily add one language to a site. That's like this. We mentioned some language here: English, Netherlands. If we want to add new language, go to admin, config, manage website languages, and just click on the language that you want to enable and tick enable, save it. Now let's check it's displayed in our system. Yeah, it's already displayed. When we click on that language, it will automatically ask to translate. If we translate, this will work fine in our system.
Great. We have another question. How Google Analytics works in EPiServer?
EPiServer has a very good representation of Google Analytics data, which can be viewed from site dashboard. It's in a form of widget. Let's see how it's works. We will go to dashboard. And try to add a gadget. There you find a Google Analytics. Just add Google Analytics and we can get the total number of visits, unique visitors, total number of page views, and the average time that a person spends on our site. Here we can get the pages and the number of times that pages is viewed by the users, and we can also personalize the contents, that's like Android, from Android device, direct traffics, and we can add our own custom things to Google Analytics.
Okay. We have one more question, that is how to personalize contents in EPiServer.
EPiServer provides loads of things to personalize contents. It's like this. We can go to visitor groups and create, and there are lots of criteria for content visitor groups, like market. For commerce, it's like market, order frequency, product in cart or wish list, recent orders. We can even mix up like number of visit geographic coordinates. We just have to create a personalized visitor group and save it. Just add a name to it. And save it. So there have a total number of visits. Now we can go to our edit page and click the page. We can add content like this, and we can even personalize the text inside a editor. Add visitor group, total number, okay, and then save. So it will be only visible to this specific visitor group. That is all about personalization.
So I think that's all the questions that we had to answer. And please look out for a follow-up mail that will alert you on the on-demand status of the webinar, so that you can review any material you missed, or you can simply go over again. Any further questions that you have will be taken offline. Reach us at our social media, or you can simply drop us a mail at webinar@suyati.com. So that brings us to the end of our webinar. On behalf of Leo and our team at Suyati Technologies, thank you for joining us and taking your time to attend our webinar. Have a great day.